If you think dandelions are just weeds, think again. They're actually nature's gift to your furry friends. Dandelions are packed with vitamins A, C, K, and even calcium. They support your pet's digestion, boost their immune system, and help keep their liver healthy. Plus, the antioxidants in dandelions work wonders for your pet's skin and coat. And you know what? Pets love the taste. So, next time you see a dandelion in your yard, don't spray it with weed killer. Pick it for your pet's next snack instead. Dandelion's nature's little powerhouse for your pets. Give it a try and watch your pets thrive. For more natural remedies, contact Fetch This Canine.